Good morning, everyone. It's a great pleasure to be here at the third GTIC 2025 conference. My name is Nikita Telestari Wijayanti from Universitas Hindu Indonesia Bali, together with my colleague Nimade with Universitas Bali International. We conducted a study entitled The Influence of the Green Training and Green Motivation on Employee Innovative Performance in Sustainable Hospitality. Our research is a systematic literature review that aims to understand how Green Human Resource Management, or GHRM, can be used strategically to enhance sustainable and innovation with the hospitality industry, particularly in the context of Bali. Global tourism impact. According to ANSU, global tourism accounts for around 8% of total carbon emission, largely from hotel energy use, water consumption, and overall waste. As travelers become more environmentally conscious, hotels must embed sustainably throughout their operation. The Indonesian context in Bali, BPS saw a 27% rise in eco-friendly hotel over 3 years. However, only 42% continues environmental training, revealing a green disconnect between management, police, and employee practice. Research problem and objective. One, systemized evidence, example green training and green motivation affect employee innovative performance in sustainable hospitality. The second, identify key factor, discover mediating factor, support green innovation and moderating factor. The three, refine the model, develop an MO-based conceptual model with contextually relevant insight for sustainable hospitality, particularly in Bali. Green Human Resource Management offers strategic approach by integrating HR function with environmental objective, guided by the ability, motivation, opportunity, framework, GHM, enhance employee capability, motivation, and opportunity to translate sustainability goals into innovative work behavior. Research methods, identification, search scopus, scan direct, Emerald Insights, Springlink, and Sinta 1 and 2, journal using keyword. Green training, green motivation, green HRM, innovative performance. Screening from 1 to 3 initial article, present 35 the directly discuss GRM, practice in hospitality, tourism, or service sector. Selection, evaluate 35 article for methodology, quality, and publications credibility, resulting in 10 final embedded studies. Synthesis, the meticulously analyzed to identify trends, mediating and moderating variable, and empirical partners. The study applies a systematic literature review following Prisma weighted lens to analyze the influence of green training and green motivation on employee innovative performance. All selected articles we verified through DOI to ensure validity. Next result, key finding from 10 studies, 10 empirical studies, analysis from 2025 published in Scopus, Index, and Sinta Accredited Journal. 1 to 3 initial article identified across major database before screening and selection. 100% consistent pattern. All studies confirm GRM practice significantly achieve innovative performance. Studies such as Kane 2025 and Pantinia 8 2020 confirm the effective green training improves technical skill, ecological awareness, and environmental attitude, fostering innovative work behavior. In Indonesia, Satyaningrum and Muafi demonstrate that green motivation and green innovation mediate the relationship between GRM and sustainable business performance. The dual mechanism, green training, foundation for a capability, the one develop the technical skill for sustainable practice, build ecological awareness and knowledge, enable energy efficiency and waste management innovation, create a competence without direct when isolated. Green motivation, psychological driver, intrinsic personal values, environmental concern, extrinsic incentive, recognition, reward. Translate knowledge into action, create enthusiasm without exhaustion when isolated. The AMO framework model, ability, grant training, build technical capabilities, and environmental knowledge, sustainability, long-term organizational competitiveness in green economy, motivation, green motivation, drive physiological, commitment to sustainable practice, opportunity, organizational culture and leadership, create support environment. Innovation, employee innovative performance and change competitive advance. This model represents a multi-layered mechanism where green training fosters capability and awareness. Green motivation drives innovator behavior and innovation outcome strengthen hotel competitiveness. The spending support train with view that green HRM practice and are a source of long-term competitive advantage when integrated into business strategy, research gap, and future direction. Methodological limitation. Most studies are quantitative and cross-sectional, limiting understanding of long-term causal relationship. Future research shall adopt mixed method of approaches and longitudinal design. Graphic scope research in South Asia, particularly Indonesia, is limited to 4 or 5-star hotel in tourist area. Small and medium-sized hotel have a great potential for cost-efficient green implementation. Psychology factor aspects such as green creativity and psychological empowerment are really use a mediator. Further should household integrate psychological mediator and moderators. Cultural dynamics, the unique social cultural dynamic of Balinese hospitality workplace remain underexplored. Research solved the model in Bali and similar destination to assess cultural influence. Conclusion. A systematic review of then international and national studies reveal that green human resource management practice, particularly green training and green motivation, play a strategic role in ensuring employee innovative performance in the sustainable hospitality industry. Key finding the synergy between green training and green motivation foster an organizational climate to encourage idea generation and sustainable innovation, ultimately strengthens hotel long-term competitive advance. Theoretical contribution reinforce the AMO model, green training will capability, green motivation strength psychological drive, and supportive organizational improvement enables innovation. Practical implication, hotel managers should design participatory training, policy, and reward system that foster pride in environmental contribution, creating mutually reinforcing frameworks. In the Indonesian context, a green organizational culture feature and life the relationship. Conceptually, the study emphasizes the training without motivation leads to knowledge without action, while motivation without competence creates enthusiasm without direction. Acknowledgement and closing. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes my presentation. I would like to thank the organizing committee of the Trade GTIC 2025 conference for the opportunity to share our findings. I'm also grateful to my co-author Nima Dewi Nyani for her collaboration and valuable insight through this research. Thank you very much for your kind attention.